Psychologists and HR professionals, upgrade your assessments with online tests, automated reports, and all your tools in one place. Your mental health is our priority. Expert guidance, practical solutions, online, whenever it suits you. Comprehensive assessments, precise insights, one-on-one consultation, reach your full potential. Nataša Bajić, licensed psychologist with over 20 years of experience in social psychology. For individuals, teams, and students, comprehensive assessments, secure and confidential, available 24/7. More than 2 decades dedicated to understanding people, relationships, and behavior in contemporary society. Cognitive tests, personality assessments, burnout, stress, all on one platform. Bilingual, Serbian and English. From WCST and Ravens Matrices to personality assessments, designed to save your time and modernize your practice. Scientifically validated, secure and confidential. Save hours of manual work with modern digital tools. Start today. Visit co-fi.com/Nataša Bajić, modern assessments for modern professionals.